Hello, welcome to EZ Eatery. Tonight we did an entire meal in the Ninja Foodi. We used the pressure cooker and the air fryer this time, and we came up with this delicious meal. So we have a pressure cooker baked potato, which we also put it in the air fryer just to give it this nice little crispy skin. And our asparagus, it was from frozen. We put that in the air fryer. And also a chicken breast that we put in the air fryer as well. Guys, it is so good. I'm telling you. Stick around, come on in. Let me show you how to do it. The baked potatoes take the longest, so let's start there. I just grabbed 3 medium potatoes, so I'm just going to poke a bunch of holes in them. I'm going to serve one of them right when they come out. I'm going to show you how to make it crunchy, and I'm going to make one of them for me for tomorrow for my lunch. So add 1 cup of water and make sure that your seal is on. We're going to place our lid, and we're going to pressure cook it on high for just 15 minutes. We're going to do a slow release on this for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, while the potatoes are over there doing their thing, I'm going to make a chicken breast. Now, you can, of course, make enough for your whole entire family, but it's just me here. I figured one is enough for me. So I'm going to just coat it with some oil and my favorite all-purpose seasoning, which is Suzy Q. I love this stuff. So I'm just going to do that on both sides. Suzy Q is an all-purpose seasoning that is made here right in my very own town, which I think is so spectacular. Okay, the potatoes are done, so we're going to release some steam, and there they are. Look at them, they are totally done. So I'm just going to pull those out. I want to show you what they look like on the inside. So I'm going to cut into one of them and of course put my butter and salt and pepper in there. But look at there, it just looks, it's so fluffy. Look at there, it's like perfect. So yeah, just salt and pepper is all I'm going to use on this one, just so you can see how nice and fluffy it is and all that fun stuff. Look at there, I mean, oh my gosh. Of course, I gotta go take a bite of it. We're gonna use the air fryer for the rest of this. So I'm gonna add in my crisper, add in just my chicken at this point because I'm gonna give it a head start. It does take a little bit longer than the asparagus and the crunchiness of the potato. So we're gonna turn that on to 350 degrees for just 12 minutes. And while that is getting a head start, we're gonna go ahead and I'm using frozen asparagus. So I'm just going to add some more oil and some Suzy Q to both sides of our potato. Now this is the potato that we already pulled out. It's still super hot, but I want to crisp up the edges because some people like their potatoes to be crunchy. So I'm just going to do that to both sides, just oil and Suzy Q or your all-purpose seasoning. So at this point, my chicken has been cooking for 5 minutes. So I wanted to take a look at it, see how it's doing. I'm gonna flip it over, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add in my asparagus and my potato in there so it can get nice and crunchy on the outside. And then so we're just gonna go ahead and let that cook up the rest of the way. So I took a peek at it, and almost 1 minute left to go, and it is done. Look at this, look at that chicken. Oh my gosh, look how golden brown that is. Our asparagus, ooh wee, look at that. And of course our potato, look at there, it's looking nice and crunchy. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and cut into the potato because I wanted to show you that even though we put an extra 5 or 6 minutes on it to get the skin crunchy, it is still nice and fluffy on the inside. So I just put some butter, some salt, pepper, and I just sprinkled some parsley flakes on top of everything. So there it is. Isn't that look just delectable? I mean, it just looks so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut into the chicken, and in just one moment, I will tell you my honest review on literally everything on this plate. This chicken is perfect. Perfect. You don't have to add anything more to it. The Suzy Q is perfect enough. I wanted to show you the asparagus. Look, it's a little on the wilted side, but it's not like it still is holding its form. Love asparagus. And it has just the perfect amount of crunch to it. Let me show you the baked potato. There's your crunchy skin right there. This meal is perfection. Highly recommend. Loving this Ninja Foodi. We did it! Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and please give the video a thumbs up. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye now.